Oh, hi everybody, welcome back. This is just a short stash update of the few kits I got for Christmas. I usually buy these just before Christmas and then give them to my wife to give to me for a Christmas present. So I was out at the hobby shop there in November and I picked up this Mr. Gasser kit. It's put out again by Atlantis. It's made in America. It's interestingly enough. And it's a newer kit, newer Repop anyway, 2019. Atlantis models. I enjoyed doing the Dragnet model kit last year, so I'm going to try and enjoy doing this one as well. I also got a couple of miniature figure kits from AliExpress online from Japan, from China, I guess. These two, I guess, are Yufan model kits. They're very small. They're about, I think, 1/24th scale, or I believe, or 1/30, and this one's 1/35th scale. I'll show you a picture of the kits themselves, the picture of the built kit, and I'll do a more detailed video when I get around to building them. So stay tuned for those pics next, and that's about it for now, so we'll see you again soon. So the first figure kit is the Yufan 75mm, approximately 1/24th scale Supergirl kit. It's about just under 3 inches tall. Looking forward to painting this one up. It seems small, but a lot of detail. The second figure kit is this robot warrior with a female pilot. It's 110mm, just over 4 inches. It's fairly small also, but very well detailed, and I'm still trying to figure out what colors to use to paint it.